Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on Chromebook in a quick and easy way. If your Chromebook is not connecting to Wi-Fi, first turn Wi-Fi off and then back on from the bottom right corner menu. Next, restart your Chromebook to refresh the system and network settings. Once it turns back on, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network by entering the correct password. If it still doesn't work, restart your router and wait a few minutes before connecting again. Now go to Settings, open Network, and forget the Wi-Fi network, then reconnect to it. After that, perform a hard reset by pressing the refresh key and power button together for a few seconds. Also, check for system updates and install the latest version. Finally, try connecting again and your Wi-Fi should start working normally now without any issues. Subscribe the channel for more videos.